So Travis, how can utilities balance the historic perspective we've had about being an industry that's kind of out of sight, out of mind, with now customers' needs and desires for transparency in what's going on at their utility?
It's a great question, and I think historically utilities have only been in the news for bad news, and I think it's often caused them to retract a bit and only communicate when they had to, right? But what we've seen the last many years actually with the lead pipe service line issues across the country, with PFAS, with more and more sewer discharges and focus on those and CSOs and certain utilities, they actually have to get out and communicate. Customers are demanding it. They need and want to know if there's going to be a beach closure because of a pollution event. They need and want to know that their drinking water in their home is safe from a lead service line replacement and the investment going in and when it's going to be in their neighborhood. And then the whole question of PFAS, are we protected? Is there or the treatment processes in place? What is the quality of the water with our utility? I think the relationship and the communication can only has to get more intense and grow more and more. And like I said, customers are demanding that. People are used to information at their fingertips more now than they were 10, 15 years ago. Some of that is just being honest about what the data is saying. I mean, in the past, I agree with you. I've seen capital projects, whether it be a tunnel for CSO control or simply a water main on the street that's taking longer to get in the ground than initially thought. The data can tell a story of why as well. There's good reasons for that. Replacing lead service lines in dozens of neighborhoods across the city could just take a lot longer than initially expected. We all go in with the best expectations, but show us how and why it's taking that long. Have some level of visualization, some level of reporting, some level of data transparency. Show this is where we are, this is how long it's taking us, and this tells the story of why. And that actually gives the leadership of a utility a platform to communicate that.